Good morning students. Today we will talk about the third component of Earth's magnetic field. Now in the third component of Earth magnetic field is the horizontal component. Now you can see from this figure, this is BE, that is Earth magnetic field. This is Earth magnetic field which is at angle theta. We are resolving this Earth's magnetic field into two components. One is the vertical component and other is the horizontal component. Now after resolving it, we have the horizontal component is the component of Earth's magnetic field in the horizontal direction, and the vertical component is the component of Earth's magnetic field in the vertical direction. Now the value of the horizontal component will be BE cos theta, and the value of the vertical component of Earth's magnetic field will be BE sin theta. Now we have marked this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. When we will square these equations, when we will square the equation 1, we will have BH square is equal to BE square cos square theta, and when we square the second equation, we have BV square is equal to BE square sin square theta. When we will add these two equations, we will have BH square plus BV square is equal to BE square. We will take common and we know the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So we will come to the equation BE square is equal to BE is equal to under root of BH square plus BV square. When we will divide equation 2 by equation 1, we will have tan theta is equal to BV by BH. And if we have to calculate the value of theta, the value of theta will be tan inverse BV by BH. Now this is the whole derivation for the horizontal component, that is BH, and the vertical component, that is BV. Students, some of the topics of this chapter has been deleted. So I will send the screenshot of the deleted syllabus and the syllabus which has been deleted. We will not discuss the questions also from that topics. We will only discuss the NCERT numericals of the topics which are included in the board. So our first numerical is NCERT numerical 5.3. In this numerical, we have given that the value of magnetic field is 0.25 Tesla, and the torque which is acting on the bar magnet, the torque acting on the bar magnet is given as 4.5 into 10 raised to power minus 2 joule, and the angle theta is given as 30 degree. Here we have to calculate the magnetic moment. We know that the relation between the torque and the magnetic moment is given by torque is equal to mb sin theta. We have to calculate the value of magnetic moment. So from this equation, the value of magnetic moment is given by m is equal to tau upon b sin theta. Now put the value of tau, put the value of b, the value of theta here will be 30 degree. Calculate the value of sin 30, substitute the value and you will get the value of magnetic moment. Now next question we have numerical number 5.5. In the numerical 5.5, we have been given a solenoid. The number of turns of solenoid is 800. That is the value of N is given as 800. Next we have been given the magnetic moment. The magnetic moment is given as M is equal to 0.6 T inverse. Now the angle theta has been given as 30 degree. Here we have to calculate the torque. Now the formula for torque as we have done above is torque is equal to mb sin theta. Substitute the values and you will get the answer. Okay. Now next, in the next question, we have been given the number of turns of the solenoid as equal to 2000. Here the area has been given as A is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. This is the value for area, and the current flowing is given as 4 ampere. Now here in this solenoid, the number of turns of the solenoid is 2000. The area of the solenoid is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square, and the current through the solenoid is 4 ampere. Here first of all we have to calculate the magnetic moment. The value of magnetic moment is given by M is equal to NIA. Here the value of N is 2000, the value of I is 4 ampere, and the value of area is given. Substitute the value and you will get the answer. Next, in the next part we have to calculate the torque. Now the formula for torque is equal to mb sin theta. Now here you will get the value of B, which is given as 7.5. Here the value of B is given as 7.5 into 10 raised to power minus 2 Tesla. You will substitute the value of B. After substitute the value of B, the value of M you will calculate from this formula. The value of B is given. Substitute these two values here. The value of theta has been given as 30 degree. Substitute those values and you will get the answer for the torque.